This is so bomb.
Oh my god, that is so good.
It's better than the cookie crumbles because it's melted
Oh,
chocolate.
watch your mouth.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to Clevver Style. Jackie, Rachel, and Drew here. We are here at Disneyland to try the 10 best and worst Halloween treats here.
Yes, and not Disneyland, Disney California Adventure for the Oogie Boogie Bash.
And we're so excited because this is brand new. It used to be Mickey's Halloween party, so I'm super excited.
And you guys, as you know, you saw me and Shanae try 10 treats in Disneyland, but we're trying, again, like I said, Halloween treats, and we're gonna rate them 1 to 5 and pumpkin emojis. So if you guys come, then you know what to try.
It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be scary. It's gonna be magical.
Alright guys, it wouldn't be right to start off this adventure without starting with Disney's classic churro. But it's not any churro, as you can see. This is a pumpkin spice churro.
It smells very pumpkin-y.
It looks like a Cheeto, no?
What is that?
There's like a little ghost on it.
Oh, that's what they are.
And is that edible? Because you guys, it looks like, if you can see, it's
I don't know if that's edible.
1, 2, 3.
It's like not pumpkin spice.
For how much like stuff is on here, it doesn't taste like what you would think.
But what is that flavor?
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg, right?
That's weird. I like it.
Take all of this off and just eat the churro.
Just keep on dusting.
But after you get like past that pumpkin,
It's great.
it's great.
You're right.
Delish.
You can't go wrong with Disneyland churro.
It's worth it for the Instagram photo, and then you just eat it, and you get to the churro taste.
Yeah.
But the first bite,
So if we were gonna rate it, I think I would give it like a 3 out of 5 pumpkin emoji.
I agree. It's a 3 for me.
I give it 3 pumpkins.
Yeah.
It's not horrible,
No.
but it doesn't blow my socks off.
Next up is the spooky cone macaron. There's marshmallow cream and candy corn.
And buttercream.
Marshmallow buttercream.
Oh,
Marshmallow buttercream.
Y'all.
It looks questionable, but again, it's in a cone because we're in Cars Land. And I like the detail of making the cone into like this spooky looking ghost, but I don't know about these flavors. They look really questionable to me.
How do you feel about the candy corn?
Who eats candy corn?
This girl right here.
I'm like middle.
Really?
Yeah.
Candy corn on your ears.
I love that you guys are sharing.
We're Lady in the Tramp.
I feel a little left out, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, left out.
Hey, Jackie.
Oh, okay.
Huh.
That is sweet.
That was really sweet.
It's really sweet.
But I like it.
I like it too.
Yeah.
I think it's too sweet for me, personally.
Did you get it with the candy corn?
No, I purposely missed it.
Now, girl, get some candy corn. You shouldn't have told us. Now I'm gonna make you take another bite.
Okay, I'll take
No,
it.
I didn't get it with the candy
Because that's what made it for me.
No. No.
I don't think you can call this a macaron or a macaroon because it's not that. It's like more like cookie, and frosting. This is like you going through a breakup and you just want to butcher your stomach and it's like just bring on the hurt. I need to heal with some sugar.
I give this 1 pumpkin.
Really?
Emoji. It's just too sweet, and I don't like the flavors. Like, it's not even like a good sweet. It's just like you take 1 bite and you're like turned off by it.
Yeah.
I give like a 3.5.
Really?
That's generous. Though.
Because I like sweet. Granted, it is really sweet, and I have a big sweet tooth.
I give it a 2.5.
I am on the hunt to find something good. On to the next one. What do we got next?
Another churro. This time it's a churro. How do you say churro?
Churro.
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 I think I say it wrong. Anyway, it's a churro in cookie crumbles with cream,
Ooh.
gummy worms, a green little icing on top, and candy corn.
This was doing just fine. Why do they have to put the green icing on this thing?
It's too much.
And
We'll
the
put in our
candy
mouth.
corns. Are we gonna have to deal with this all day? Gummy worms, I'm all about.
Oh, wait a
Oh
minute.
yeah, that's great.
I take it
Let's
back.
try it with the churro. Oh my god.
It took a minute.
Hallelujah.
That's all right.
This is so bomb. Like churro and chocolate together.
Yeah.
Such a good combination. The flavors just match, and I'm not mad at the green icing either. Oh, you want some more? What do you think about the candy corn with it?
Oh, good.
Oh my gosh, you're so happy. I love that we love this. I thought we were gonna just be miserable the rest of the time and we were gonna find something, but we found our thing.
Oh, we'll be miserable later on the toilet.
This one gets 5 pumpkins.
Yeah. I feel like I want to save the 5 for like a mind-blowing thing. I'm gonna give it like a 4 pumpkin.
This didn't blow your mind?
It was really good, but I feel like 5 is gonna be like, oh, you know?
Okay, so up to this point, we've been eating a lot of sweet things, and we were craving something a little bit more savory, so we picked up the Rest in Peace Strami fries. It has pastrami on there, pickles, they're on french fries, and then what was the sauce again?
Mustard sauce.
Mustard sauce. I just smell pickles, and I'm totally okay with it. I used to hate pickles when I was little, but now I actually love pickles.
I don't love it. It smells sweet.
Oh, please, Lord, don't be sweet.
You have to get everything.
I got a pickle, I have the sauce, I have the pastrami, and I've got a french fry.
Okay.
Cheers! Whoa.
It feels like you're eating 3 different things as opposed to like one thing combined.
Yeah,
you know?
cohesively. It's just all, it just doesn't go together. The french fries are bomb. They're not soggy, they're crispy.
They're thin,
Taste delicious.
but not too thin.
The pastrami with the mustard and the pickles all together don't taste good, but actually the pastrami by itself and the french fry by itself
Yeah, if you were to eat it separately,
tastes good, but I just
it's
don't like
fine.
the idea of all these flavors together. I would give this 2 pumpkins.
Yeah, me too. Also the pun, rest in pastrami, I could do without this.
R.I.P. this idea and put it to death.
It's time for the Oogie Boogie Dirt and Worm Funnel Cake Fries.
Say that 10 times.
Oogie Boogie
Initially when I saw this, I was like, but I gave it a second glance and a second thought. I love french fries with honey. I love this salty and sweet mixed together. So I'm gonna give this a chance and say that french fries with chocolate is something that I've always needed but never knew I needed. So already I like that this is gonna be like a crunchy french fry.
It's like a funnel cake fry. Oh.
It is funnel cake. I thought it was a french fry.
This tastes like how Elle Woods felt when she became part of what's his face's class.
Yeah.
Leonard was right there and he got on the list and Vivian was on the list and then Elle was like, that's what it tastes like.
The texture of the actual funnel cake is so good, and the flavor. They dusted these funnel cake fries so that the texture is nice, it's chewy, and it has that perfect funnel cake taste with the chocolate syrup on top. The combination is so good.
Wow. Funnel cake dipped in melted chocolate and frosting, which sounds like hella sweet, but it's so good.
I give this one 3 pumpkins.
What?
It's just way too much going on. You got frosting, you got chocolate syrup, you got gummy bears and M&Ms. See, I'm doing just fine.
Something's wrong.
Honestly, if you really think about it, this is what we had earlier. It's just in a different form. But it doesn't have the cookie crumbles on it, which I love. So I feel like the cookie crumbles was a 5 for me. This one, it's just chocolate syrup.
It's better than the cookie crumbles because it's melted chocolate.
Oh, watch your mouth.
I'll give it a 4.5.
Oh, come on.
Only because.
Yeah.
You know how like when someone's really good, not only do my eyes roll back, I like start foaming at the mouth. And I little tear forms. I saw my scalp.
I feel confident.
So confident
that we're gonna find you a 5.
That's God speaking. Let's do it.
Next up is the peanut butter and jelly mummy. I love PB&J, so.
Me too. And it's cute. It's a little mummy.
It is really cute.
Well, how are we gonna tackle this, all 3 of us? That's the question.
I like bite in the middle.
You bite in the middle, then we bite in the side.
All right.
I did not get anything.
Yeah, you gotta go in.
Wait,
Take another bite.
No. No.
I like it. Me too.
I like this.
Oh my God, for me it's way too overpowering. It's like the jelly with the frosting on top mixed with the donut. It's like the bad type of too sweet.
I love when you can squeeze stuff
Oh,
and it
it's
just
on the
pops.
other side.
Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Drew's not very impressed.
Okay, let me.
I think this is a happy medium if you're gonna bring your children to the park.
Yeah.
At PB&J, but just up a level with the donut. Y'all know before when she brought this to the table initially, I thought I was gonna hate this because I hate anything that's cream filled.
Yeah.
But peanut butter and jelly filled.
I rate this a 1, unfortunately. I really didn't like it.
I give it a 4. Yeah. I give this a 4. It was really tasty, and I think it's something good to eat. Like, so far, all the sweets that we've had have been, like, way too sweet.
Yeah.
Still good, but so sweet. This is a happy medium for me.
And I think the peanut butter kind of like tones it down a little bit so
Yeah.
that it's not too. Drew's over here like,
Nah. Nope.
Okay, on to the next one.
The sugar is definitely hidden.
Next up on the chopping block is the caramel apple smoothie. Complete with a caramel apple lollipop, ice cream, apple, whipped cream, ice cream,
Apple.
Caramel.
apple, caramel,
Sour apple.
ice cream.
Can we talk about this lollipop? This is like one of my all-time favorite lollipops. I'm hoping though that this tastes just like that.
Sauce in.
Let's do it.
Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa! Oh my god.
Oh my god, that is so good.
Wow! This, I love it. Honestly, tastes like apple cider, but cold. Like cold apple cider. Like an apple cider smoothie.
It actually tastes just like this candy, but like
Holy moly.
a little more like fizzy.
I know it's a smoothie, but I was expecting more sundae than smoothie. You know,
yeah.
like really more dessert like.
It looks creamier than it actually is.
Right.
It's not very creamy. It tastes more like a sorbet. Like a sorbet
yeah.
shake.
Refreshing.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
I
What do you rate it?
give this 5 pumpkin emojis. The flavor's good, the texture's good.
She said 5.
And I said 5. And also, I think why I'm giving it a 5 too is when you think of like an apple smoothie, I didn't think I was gonna get that flavor. It just surprised me, it shocked me, and it was so delicious.
You just gave it a 5.
I gave it a 5.
I don't know about
And
it.
again, I don't
that.
even.
What are you giving it, Rachel?
I give it a 4.5.
Okay, 4.5
Close,
pumpkins.
but
You guys
like
are generous.
really, I liked it.
I liked it, but I give it a 3.
Oh,
3 pumpkins
three
for
is like
me.
average though.
Wait, I think the parade started. Oh my
God!
Parade break. It's time for the Minnie Mouse Witch Shake.
Mint chocolate chip ice cream,
Bruh.
cookies on top.
Yep.
This is probably gonna be, I already know that this is gonna be my favorite. You can't go, oh, it's what?
It smells so good.
And can we talk about the presentation of it all? It's
aesthetic.
beautiful. I love the colorful sprinkles that they have on top.
Me too.
The Oreos as the ears, this cute little orange bow. And then they got some little M&Ms for the buttons and more glitter around the rim. It's so
I'm excited for this. I really like. Yep. Yep.
Oh,
Mm.
this is what I'm talking about. Just dip,
Dip.
baby, dip,
Dip.
baby,
Dip.
dip, dip. Okay, cheers.
Oh wow. I told you.
In all honesty, it's a mint chocolate chip ice cream shake.
Right. But it's so cute.
It's so cute. I think the combination of how it looks, and then obviously you can't go wrong with that. And then they put Oreos on. This is the key. If you have not had mint chocolate chip ice cream with Oreos, what are you doing with your life? Try the combination. It is the best. This gets 5 pumpkin emojis. 5 pumpkin emojis. 5 pumpkin emojis.
This is exquisite.
Drew?
Masterpiece.
Drew? What are you rating
I've
this?
been stingy with my 5. I don't know what to do because I don't know. I don't know.
What are you gonna rate it, Drew?
I wanna give it a 5. It's a 5.
I knew it! You got your 5!
It's a 5.
Yes! I knew we were gonna find it by the end of the evening. Now we just gotta get Rachel's 5.
Look how cute.
It's so adorable.
So the
ice
cookie
cream.
is shortbread cookies.
And then vanilla ice cream dipped in chocolate.
Yeah. Come to mama.
Okay.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, ow. That hurt.
Oh.
That sounded like it.
Oh God! It tastes like what you think it's gonna taste like.
Yeah, a
You know?
chocolate dipped ice cream bar.
Yeah.
It's good.
The vanilla bean ice cream is really good. The chocolate dip is great. There's nothing special about the cookie.
It tastes like a little lemony.
Yeah.
Wait, I did not get that at all.
Oh, I got lemon vibes.
Yeah,
It's the color of it that's messing with you.
it's like lemony.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's totally lemony.
How did I miss that? Now I really enjoy the cookie.
I will
Rachel,
say.
what will we do without you this round?
I think it's a 4. Maybe that's a little, like a 3.5. I
Pumpkin.
haven't found my 5.
I'll give the presentation a 5.
Yes,
Yes.
I agree.
You know.
Presentation is a 5.
Presentation 5.
Taste.
Taste-wise, it's good. It's not gonna knock my socks off. I give it a 3.5.
Yeah.
I give it 3.5 pumpkins. But as far as presentation, I agree with you guys. This thing gets like a 5. Like
Yeah.
it's a cute little bat.
It's the cutest little
It's
thing.
a cute bag.
It's lemon zested cookie. Yeah, we gotta get out of here because we gotta find you your 5.
Let's go
It has
find my
to be.
5.
All right, at first glance, you might think that we're about to consume a a corn dog, but you are very mistaken. This bad boy is full of pepper jack cheese.
Oh.
And I'm not even close to it, and my hair and my nostrils is already being cinched off.
It's the pickled serrano.
And then they have this blackberry sauce on top of it.
I don't know how I feel about it. Your girl's lactose intolerant.
It's fried pepper jack cheese with all of this. Oh, and pineapple salsa.
Pineapple salsa.
Pineapple salsa, cheese puffs, cheese,
a
blackberry sauce.
And before anybody comes for me, if I could eat cheese, I'd be happy about it. But because it's gonna destroy me, I'm resistant, okay?
Perfect, you're be prepared.
Okay, rip the Band-Aid off. Let's just dig in. Let's do it.
I think it's gonna be spicy.
Oh, it's heavy. Oh my god. Wait a minute, I just really want to break it open. I'm all about a good cheese pull.
Go for it.
Do you guys mind?
Go for it.
There's something so satisfying about that. Am I right or am I right?
Okay. Oh gosh.
I'll bite the part that you didn't touch.
I haven't tried it yet.
Go for it.
Oh my god! Crap!
That's so good. Oh.
It's like a giant cheese stick. The blackberry
wow.
sauce on there is sweet.
Yeah, that's good.
Mixed with the spices.
That's
This
good.
is delicious. Delicious.
Guess who found her five? Guess who found her five? I don't.
Not sharing?
The batter is so good.
Yes.
It's so good. But it's this blackberry sauce.
It's the blackberry
Man,
sauce.
I don't know what it is.
It's good.
I'm jealous.
I know I found my 5. What about you guys? What's your rating?
This is a 5. It's a 5.
I give this 6 pumpkins.
Wow. There you go.
I think it's because when I saw it initially, you guys, I was like, heck no, that's gonna be
Right.
disgusting. And then I bit into it and all the flavors, I was like, holy, it really like surprised me. All right, guys, we have eaten our way through Disney California Adventure. We are full, we are satisfied. What was your favorite item? Drew's still eating. I'm still eating.
She's eating a corn dog though.
To me, it was between the cheese corn dog and that funnel cake.
Yep.
Mine has to be the cheese corn dog.
Hands down, I think we all agree that the cheese corn dog was honestly the best.
So good.
So you guys let us know in the comments below, which one did you want to try? And if you have tried, like, what was good? What did you like out of all the Halloween treats?
Also, have you been to the Oogie Boogie Basket California Adventure? These are our 10 best and worst treats. Let us know what were yours.
Also, let us know where you want us to go next.
Yeah.
Because we love trying food.
Disneyland. Say Disneyland.
Disneyland.
Disneyland Paris, Disneyland Tokyo, Disneyland California, Disneyland everywhere.
Disney World.
You guys did it. You guys liked the last video. You brought us back here. And now, the possibilities are endless.
You see this happiness on my face? You did that. Do it again.
We love you. Thank you guys so much.
Bye!